Hello everyone and welcome to Zoom in Data Project Win on video to text plus summarizer application. This is a full stack web application designed to record conversation. In this case, the conversation between a client and a doctor, such that the doctor can record his conversation with the client and store it in a repository where in future he can see he or she's customer details, here in case patient details for further analysis. So how this process works is like the first the doctor record or upload an audio file, often consultant with the patient. The app then use OpenAI Whisper model to transcribe the audio into clean, accurate text. Once the transcript is ready, it goes through a medical summarization model. I have used GPT to generate clinical notes in the SOP format. SOP stand for Subjective Objective Assessment and PAN. So, without this was a short introduction of our project. Now let's start with the demo. So in this project, there is a login page. I have used Firebase for login, authentication, and where in which you can add your email and password to log in to the application. Let's start. Once you are successfully logged in, you can click on the record button to record the conversation, and then it will generate a transcribe of the audio, and then it will generate a summarized note. Let's start with the example. Here, for example, I will use the conversation between a doctor and a client, and let's see what's next. So, I will start the recording. Good morning, Miss Sharma. What bring you in today? Morning, doctor. I have been having this persistent dry cough for the last 2 weeks. It gets worse at night. I haven't been sleeping well. Any other symptoms? Fever, shortness of breath, or chest pain? No fever, but sometimes I feel a little tightness in my chest when cough I a lot. Are you on any medication currently? Just a multivitamin. I haven't taken anything else recently. Any history of asthma, allergy, or recent travel? I had mild asthma as a child, but nothing recent. No travel either. Alright, I will examine your chest and check your oxygen level. Based on your symptom, it will be viral bronchitis. I will prescribe a mild cough supersand and suggest deep inhalation twice daily. Got it. Do I need any test? If symptoms don't improve in a week, we will consider a chest X-ray. For now, rest and hydration should help. Okay, thank you, doctor. You are welcome. Take care and follow up in 7 days if it persists. So, my friend, this is a conversation between a doctor and his client. Uh, I will add this in conversation in the caption so that you will have a brief overview of what the conversation was. Let's click on the transcribe. Transcription successful. So this transcript shows the conversation between doctor and Miss Sharma, who is having a chest pain and having dry cough for last 2 weeks. So let's summarize the notes. I will explain you okay, what this explanation does. This application records the conversation between client and his or her patient, then transcript the conversation, then summarize the conversation in SOP format. So this was the summarization of the conversation, the SOP format. The doctor can download this uh, summarization in PDF or in text format and give it to the patient and keep the PDF or text to himself to as a record. Here you can see the record is downloaded as in the form of a PDF. Also in the form of text. There is one other feature to this application. In my notes, the doctor can record individual patient information. Supposingly, if we type here, example patient, so I saved a record of a patient, and here you can see the record is successfully saved. That's it with the demo. It is especially useful in healthcare setting where doctors are overloaded with paperwork. By automatic transcription and summarization, we can help save time, reduce error, and let doctor focus more on patient than paperwork. I had a great time building this and learned a lot about speech processing, NLP, and structuring full stack application with real world use cases. Thank you for your time. See you again with yet another POC video in Zoom in data. Thank you.